This is a technical summary of the article titled Teclistamab plus daratumumab in relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma, published in New England Journal of Medicine in 2026 by Costa L.J. et al. Disclaimer: educational content only, not medical advice. Presented by 5-Minute Hematology. For patients with relapsed or refractory myeloma after 1 to 3 prior lines, should Teclistamab plus daratumumab replace DPD or DVD? With each relapse, disease resistance and immune impairment increase, making sustained disease control progressively harder to achieve. Daratumumab-based triplets are standard, but the best partner strategy in early relapse remains a frequent bedside decision. Adding BCMA-directed T-cell engagement to daratumumab could intensify immune killing without the logistics of cellular therapy. For full access to the complete 5-Minute Hematology library, visit 5minutehematology.com. Stay current, stay evidence-based.